Hi guys, my bears will be 4 weeks old tomorrow. As you can see, they were all raised organically, no synthetic drugs, no vaccine. Everything were raised organically. I've done video on how I prepare my antibiotics for them, and also the how I prepare my vaccine for them also too. So if you haven't seen the video, you can go back to my page. You see how I prepare their vaccine and how I usually prepare the antibiotics that I usually give to them often. So most questions people do normally ask me is that for how long do I normally give them the antibiotics? The thing is that, as you can see, this is the antibiotics inside there. So these antibiotics serve as drugs and also as water. So I always give them to them every day. So as they take the water, it serves them as water and also as antibiotics. So it helps them to boost their immune. You understand? So that sicknesses will not be able to affect them. And so far so good. I've only lost three birds. So far so good. So I have broiler and I have broiler. So I've only lost just only three birds. So it shows that it works very well, and it also shows that it pays to give your birds what you know. You understand? Because buying drugs or buying vaccine, which you might not even sure maybe to even work or not. You understand? Because sometimes the seller might sell a dead vaccine for you, which you might not even know. You understand? And if you also check the cost of their drugs also too, it's expensive. So it is cheaper to prepare their vaccines for them. And again, the current price of a broiler right now is ranging from 3,500 to 4,000 naira. The current price. And so if I decide to sell my bird at 3,000 naira per chick, which means I'll still make a good profit because I only spend zero kobo on their vaccine and their drugs. You understand? So if you haven't followed my page, please follow my page. You're going to learn a lot. Everything here is being done organically. So once again, my name is Mr. Friday. So please follow my account and please share. And if there's anything that you don't understand, please put it in the comment section. I will answer you. So let me feed my pets. They are hungry right now. They're... So you see how agile they are. So thank you.